Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for all the video editing enthusiasts out there. We'll show you how to remove backgrounds in Capcut PC. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. First, open Capcut in your PC. Now, you'll need to import the video you want to work on. Simply click on the Import button and select your video file from your PC. Step 2. Drag and drop your video clip from the media library onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where we'll be doing all the editing. Step 3 now. Click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. Head to the top right corner and make sure the Video tab is selected. You'll see the cutout option right here. Click on it. If you have a green screen, you can use Chroma key, but if you don't, like me, you can use Auto Cut Out. Select Auto Cut Out, and it will automatically recognize the subject in your video. In a matter of seconds, you'll see the background magically disappear. Now you can check it by clicking on the play button. Congratulations, you have successfully removed background in Capcut. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.